Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to create such a menu using JavaScript. I got my inspiration from Props Studio, which I found at theawwards.com. First, let's create the header, navigation bar, and overlay sections. Now let's create a menu section and a navigation bar in it. Now let's add a container for menu items, directly them and an image item. And finally, we create a menu footer section with links. Now let's add styles for the body, as well as for the text and links. Add styles for container, header and text. Now let's style the navbar, menu navbar and overlay. Let's add styles for the menu section and links. Now let's style the items and their links. Now let's add styles for the image and create classes for future image pop-up and text blur animations. And finally, we stylize the footer and its links. First, let's create an animation of blurring items when hovering. And now let's make an animation of the appearance of an item image when the link is hovered. Alright. Let's write a few JS lines using the GSAP library to make the menu appear when the menu button is hovered over. And finally, it's ready.